I have a really good video for you. I actually had a 90-degree when I was out in the field with the guys that got filled up with shingle gravel. So let me explain before you see the video. You put a leaf filter in here, and then the water comes down, catches, the leaf filter catches the leaves. Shingle gravel just falls into the 90. What happens is the water comes down the downspout into the 90, but water doesn't do what you think it does. So water just comes down and slams, bam, right here. And there's a huge loss of energy. And then it has to kind of get redirected. The best way that I can describe this is when you walk down your hall and you make a left or right into your bedroom, you know to turn left or right. You don't have to go all the way to the end of the hallway and then bounce off the wall to be ricocheted into your room. So basically, the water comes down and it just slams, and then it gets redirected. Well, it loses all the shingle gravel. So what we did is we made a fitting that's not 90 degrees, and we call it the not quite a 90. So let's just say that this fitting is 80 degrees. So now the water comes down with the shingle gravel. You can filter out the leaves. Now, instead of slamming to a stop, you see right here how this is angled away from the house. Instead of a 90 degree, we got ourselves a nice 80 degree. Oh yeah, by the way, this is a patent. So it was patent pending, and we did receive the patent. So just wanted to mention that too, because that was exciting. So right in here, you see how there's a ramp? You notice that ramp back there? Isn't that sweet? So here we got an 80 degree versus a 90 degree. Not quite, but let's just call it that. And then we have this ramp in the elbow. So all the shingle gravel just comes shooting out, and it finds its way right into the catch basin. Now I'm going to show you 90. That was on a roof runoff system where the water came down, slammed, got gathered, redirected, left a big pile of shingle gravel. I was out in the field with the guys. I grabbed it. I got some video. Check it out. The whole reason why we made the not quite a 90 is because of this. We know what 90-degree bends do in a drain line. This is a downspout line. The water slams to a stop. It gets redirected, and it drops all the sediment that it was carrying. In this line, there's a lot of shingle gravel. We also want slope away from the house, and the 90 doesn't allow for that. Improving yard drainage, one part at a time. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions about yard drainage, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.